In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and transfer user data in Google Workspace. This is a critical procedure for managing your organization's data efficiently, especially when a team member is leaving or when there's a need to preserve data integrity. So let's delve into the process and ensure you can perform these tasks with confidence. First, make your way to Google Workspace. This is where we'll start the journey to handling user data effectively. Next, click on the admin console, which is your central hub for managing users and settings within your Google Workspace. You'll need to log in using your business email to ensure you have the administrative privileges necessary for these tasks. Once you're logged in, locate the Google Apps menu at the top right of the page. This menu provides access to various Google services. Click on the admin icon, which will take you into the administrative functionalities where you can manage users and data across your workspace. From here, navigate to the directory. This section is crucial as it houses the information on all users within your Google Workspace. You'll then move to the Users section. This is where you'll find a list of all the people associated with your organization's Google Workspace. Now click on the specific user's profile whose data you are interested in. Following this, you'll want to click on the Suspend User option. This initial step is part of archiving, where you temporarily restrict a user's access to their account without permanently deleting the data. Once you select Suspend, a confirmation message will prompt you to suspend and archive the user. Proceed by clicking on Suspend. This action is essential for archiving their data while still keeping it within the Google Workspace domain. To transfer user data, you'll need to proceed to delete the user. I know it sounds a bit intense, but don't worry, this step is necessary to free up their data for transfer. Click on Delete User from the user's profile and then navigate to the Data in Other Apps section. Here you'll find options to transfer their data to another user within your organization. Click on Transfer to initiate this process. You'll be prompted to type in the profile of the user to whom you want to transfer the data. Enter the correct details carefully. Once you have everything set up, click Delete User again. This action will complete the data transfer as the user's profile and data are now redirected to the specified recipient. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to archiving and transferring user data in Google Workspace. Remember, while these tasks can seem daunting at first, following these steps will make the process smooth and reliable. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other guides for more tips on managing your Google Workspace effectively.